Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss the next part of a function is the function call. Function call is a calling a function in the program by writing the function name and by passing the arguments if necessary. Function call means calling function or is a calling a function in the program by writing the function name and by passing the arguments if necessary. Next, to use the function or to use defined function, we must call it. To use defined function, we must call it. Let us see the syntax of function call, how to function is called. Syntax of function call: function name and list of, here in a function call we pass list of actual parameters. In function declaration and the function definition we pass the formal parameters, but in a function call we pass the list of actual parameters. For example, suppose here we function name take as a division and list of parameters, suppose integer x and integer y. This is the example of function call. There are many different ways to call a function. For example, suppose here we take as a multiple or mul as a function name, and here we pass the integer values, two integer values. Or also we can declare m comma n, here two variable only to pass two variables. Or also expression plus value, or function name expression 1 comma expression 2. These are the two different ways to call a function. In multiple ways we can call a function. Before calling any function, it should be declared or defined first. Before calling any function, it should be declared or defined first, and then the function call can be made. Otherwise compiler will generate an error. Next point, calling a function and called a function. What is mean by calling function and called a function? First is calling function. What is mean by calling function? The function which calls another function is referred as calling function. Function calling another function is called as calling function. And second, called a function means the function which get called is referred as called functions. The function which calls another function is called calling function, and the function which gets called is referred as called a function. Next point, what is mean by actual and formal parameters? Actual and formal parameters. Actual parameter means the parameters used in a function call. It is used in a function call is referred as actual parameter. And second is the formal parameter means the function used in the function definition and the function declaration, and function declaration is referred as a formal parameter. Let us see one example of function call. Here we write a program to find greatest number or greater number using function. Let us see the output. Here we include header files stdio.h and conio.h. After that include a header files. After that conio.h. After that we declare a function name as greater. We cannot return any value, that's why we take as a return type void. Greater is the function name. Integer, here we pass two parameters which type is a integer type, or integer type parameters we pass here. This is called as a formal parameters, and this section is called as function declaration, or it is also called as a function prototype. Next, after declaring a function in a main function, we take two variables, integer x and integer y. Here x is assigned a value 4 and y also assigned a value 5. Here we initialize the variables, and here we declare two integer variables. After that we call a greater function. Here we call the greater function x comma y. Here is called as a function call. This part is a function declaration. This part is called as a function call, and these two parameters are called as a actual parameters. Next point, get ch, close curly brackets. Here we define a function void greater integer a comma integer b. After that we check a condition. If a is greater than b, then we print the value greater number is equal to %d a. Or suppose else we print the value printf greater number equal to %d b, close curly bracket and function close. In this example, main is the calling function, and the greater is the called function. Actual parameters is copied. This actual parameters is copied into the formal parameters. This called as a formal parameter. Here in this example, integer x, here check 4 is greater than 5, condition is false, so the output of this example is 5 is greater, or it returns y value. Thank you.